Hi, so today we're going to review many of the uses you can do with our products. You don't need to have 17 different products. You don't need to have a special hand cream. You don't need to have a special eye cream or a special neck cream. Really, as long as you're using well-formulated products, they are going to lead to significant benefit wherever you use them. So it's not like a hack where you're settling for something less than good. It actually will be an outstanding result wherever you use them. And that's the exciting thing about the Restore products. So let's talk about the face cream. The face cream I made for myself. I have exceedingly dry skin. I have dry, crinkly eyes. I wanted something that I could put on even this fragile area and know it was going to safe and be helpful. It's made out of squalene. Squalene is a natural fat that's really similar to the fat that our skin already has in it, so it recognizes it and it knows how to use it. I use my Restore face cream on my face, on my eyelids, on my neck every night before I go to bed, and I have another jar on my bedside table which I use on my hands. So you don't need a different product for all those different things. That's all just additional money that you're spending that may or may not be helpful to you. If you find a product that you like, put it on your cosmetically important areas together. So your face, your neck, those show your age, your hands show your age. So I use my face cream in all of those areas and it works beautifully. If you don't have super dry skin, the face lotion can do all of that too. I would say in general, eyelid skin and hand skin and neck skin is drier. It has smaller pores and it has smaller sebaceous glands, and so the face cream is going to be a better option for those areas. But if you're using this, you can put it in all those areas and it's going to work. This is just more hydrating, so it's going to add a little bit more bang. They also have ingredients like adenosine. Adenosine is this powerful amino acid that helps fight the wrinkles around your eyes. So it's not just a hack, it actually is going to help with those fine lines and wrinkles we get around our eye and on our neck. My face wash. My face wash, you can use in the shower. You can wash your whole body with it. You can wash your face with it. You can shave your legs with it. You can shave your face with it. In addition to that, you can wash your hands with it. It's a little expensive for that, but it works in all of those locations. It kills COVID. So it is one of these things where you can use it as a bubble bath. It's safe to use with babies. You can wash your kid with it. It's well formulated and effective enough that many people of all different ages can use it on all different parts of their body. The lip balm, the one we just launched, this I made for your lips and it's designed to apply to your lips, but it still has the wonderful, powerful castor oil in it. So if this is what you had, you can put it on your cuticles, you can put it on your dry nails. It can be used anywhere the healing balm can be used, which brings us to, my first child, the healing balm. The healing balm was actually hard to launch in the beginning because there are so many ways your skin can benefit from it that people get overwhelmed and a little bit confused. I use this on my cuticles before I go to bed at night. I use it around my eyes after I put this on when I'm super dried out because it's winter time, because I've been skiing. I put it directly on my face after procedures, after a day of skiing when I'm really windburned. I use it on my lips. Sometimes you want something that's going to just stick around even longer than this, and that's where the healing balm is incredibly helpful. This is all I put on my kids' cuts, scrapes, burns. It's all I use up my nose when my nose is chapped. It really is that miracle product that should replace Vaseline or Aquaphor in your house, because in a comparative study it worked better than they did and it doesn't have common allergens in it. People have written in about all their different uses for this. This is really popular with manicurists just for the conditioning of nails and the cuticle. I have a dear friend who it's her favorite sexual lubrication. So you really can put this anywhere and it's safe to use. So long story made short, all of my products are made for you to use anywhere you want to, and they're gonna help. They're not going to irritate it. This is to simplify your life, not to complicate it. So think of it, if it's a cosmetically important area, that's where you want to use my face cream or the face lotion. If it is something that is damaged and needs to be healed, that's where the healing balm comes into place. And if it needs to be cleaned, that's where the face wash comes into place. So enjoy the products. Please share with us how you like to use them. And I'll talk to you again next week.